What's good, guys? We have the tripod on the wheel today. We're upgrading. This stuff is upgrading. I am at a gas station right now though, so hair touch number 1. I want y'all to count how many times I touch my hair. But I am at a gas station right now and there's a lot of people, but like who cares? I'm just in my car, Sam on FaceTime, like what? But today in this video, we're gonna be reviewing my catless downpipe. It's installed right now. Sorry I didn't get more content for you guys when I was like dropping it off, all that stuff. I forgot, but here's my old one. This is my catted downpipe that was previously in my car, but that shit's low-key whack. It has that in there that, oh my God, if that hit me, I would have sued VRSF. Like, your catted downpipe hit me in the face. Like, what are they looking at, bro? What if I was on FaceTime? Like, leave me alone. But we got the mount on. I'm refilming this intro. I'm at a gas station, like I just said, but I'm catless now. What else? I've refilmed this 7 times because I can never just like lock in and get this done. But this is the old one. New one's in right now. I already filmed sound clips. My mechanic did a launch already, so I'm gonna put all his clips in and my clips. I have 2 revving clips at this random like Fry's grocery store, and the Chinese dude like came out and yelled at me. I hope I got it on my camera, but I don't know if I did. But I don't know. Just got off work to film this video. The mount's on. I have a little bit of cruising videos, but not a lot. But yeah, I got my and then the second clip after this one, I got my custom license plate on. That finally came in after a month. The MV literally took forever, but low-key like the catless more. Like, I'll get y'all a little rev. I don't know if you can hear, but put y'all on sport real quick. Shit sounds crazy. So we did get a custom license plate. It's stock. That's the idle now. That's the idle. But pretty much I have that now. This is the review. This is the back. Pretty clean. But yeah, I'm gonna go put up the tripod and I'll get you guys some angles. Don't mind my floor mat. I'm getting a detail this week. All right, perfect. We're filming, so I'm gonna go get you guys some rev clips, and we're gonna go over to the spot right now to show y'all where it's at and everything. And then this is filmed in Mexico. That's all I gotta say. Let's see how these come out. I'm gonna go. So this first clip is gonna be some without burbles, so it's gonna be just standard, and then the next clip after this is gonna be with burbles, my hardest map on MHD. So aggression all the way turned up, which isn't good for my turbos, I know that, but that's what it's gonna be like for my map 4, and that's what you guys are gonna hear. But here we go. All right. That's for sure my sign to go. Jesus Christ, those are crazy. This guy's for sure gonna come back out. I told him I'm gonna be quiet and not take long. This is like a Fry's, but like it's a different brand. But like it's actually, oh my God, those probably came out insane. So I'm gonna go see right now how it came out. Also, like I said in the beginning, here's a launch from my mechanic. Oh yeah, I know you guys messed with that launch. My mechanic launched it perfectly, and obviously asked for consent before he did it, before you guys lose it in the comments like, oh, how'd you let your mechanic do that? But yeah, he was chill. But again, I forgot to film an outro, but thank you for watching, all you guys. You know the rules. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, make sure you leave a comment.